SureFit Johnson here, and I'm so glad you decided to click on my video because today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do your own lashes. Lashes are so important, like they make any makeup look pop. Whether you have on no makeup look, like it makes you look awake, it makes you look bold, makes you look really nice. I love lashes. You can go and get your lashes professionally done, but me, I love DIYs. If you follow my channel and you follow me, you already know your girl be hitting them with the DIYs. If you want to see more of my DIYs, like these box sprays that I have here, just go to my channel and peep your girl's DIYs because I be on it. Or if you want to see any type of DIYs, drop it down in my comment box and I'll get that video up for you, okay? Because I love DIYs. I believe like you can do it yourself. Like why pay somebody when you can do it yourself, okay? So these lashes that I have on right now are from the brand Kiss. I will zoom into my lashes so you can see it better. And this is actually my first time using this brand, and my lashes came out phenomenally. They look super dark and bold, and every time I wear fake lashes, people ask me, are they my lashes? So I know I'd be doing a good job. I'd be doing a hell of a good job. So this video is all about these lashes, and they are individual lashes. I'm just gonna let the video roll and stop talking. But if you don't follow me on Instagram, baby girl, go follow me on Instagram. So the lashes I'm gonna use today are from the brand Kiss, and I usually use these Broadway lashes. And I'm also going to use this duo glue, and it's for individual lashes. And I did use the dark version because the clear version and the white version will leave residue. So for my eyelashes, they are pretty short, and that's why I add the individual lashes. And I go ahead and take a baby wipe or a makeup wipe and completely wipe off any crust that I might have on my eyelashes that built up from the night before or any buildup at all. I take my lashes and I pluck them downward, and I go ahead and place the end of it in the glue. So you will also need tweezers, and if you've never done your eyelashes before, you can tell exactly where you need to dip the glue. So again, pull your eyelash straight down so you don't break it. So actually placing it on your eyelid is the tricky part, and I'll show you guys a few times. You want to place it right above your lash line, just like you would do strips. I used to place mine below my lash line, but placing them as close to your lash line as possible, right above your eyelashes. Do not get it into your eyelashes because it'll be extremely hard to take out. And also, when you apply the glue and apply it to your eyelash line, to get it in the perfect position, go ahead and take the end of the tweezers, or if you're an expert, you can take your fingers and go ahead and push it towards your eyelash line and push it towards the exact spot you want it to be before the glue actually dries. And as you're putting in the eyelashes, you can be able to tell like if you have some missing spots, and you can go ahead and add lashes right in between those spots. And because the adhesive is black, you are able to see where you're missing and where you need to add, because you'll see your skin and you'll also see the dark spots. The concept is pretty simple. Remove the eyelash from the case, dip it in the glue and place it on your lash line. You will not be able to see the black once it's completely across. It'll just look like you have on some eyeliner. And just go ahead and fill in all the spots. I do it from corner to corner. And if you want variation, you can also use different sizes. So maybe do long in the middle and short on the very inner corner. And this is kind of redundant, so I'm just going to do the other eye off camera and show you guys what it looks like when it's all complete. I really do hope you enjoyed my video. Stay tuned to the end so you can see the completed look. Follow me on Instagram at SureFit Johnson. Thank you guys so much for coming to my channel and watching my video. Until next time, you guys. Peace.